first time we have participated in Tamil Nadu tourism in Pittur, and we have taken independent stall. The reason taking the independent stall is I have called some buyers and sellers from Tamil Nadu, inbound tour, outbound tour, and some hoteliers, restaurant owners. So they want Tamil Nadu to sell out and as well as to take tourism from European countries. See, Europe is big market for Tamil Nadu tourism. We get lot of tourists from Germany, from Spain, from France, from Netherlands. These are the major feeding country from which we receive lot of foreign tourists in Tamil Nadu. And to be very frank, we have direct flight from many cities of the European country to Chennai. So many people, they don't have any kind of problem in going to Chennai, traveling there, visiting the places and come back. So the purpose of participating in the Fitur is to sell Tamil Nadu, to make it more publicized number one state among other Indian state. And we want to leave our impression on Europe that we are rich in food, culture, history, and natural tourism, eco-tourism, rural tourism. So all diversity Tamil Nadu is having. So we want that people should explore it and come to Tamil Nadu. See, recently the news published in the New York Times, last 15 days before, they have enlisted 52 places must visit in 2016. Out of that, Tamil Nadu has been ranked on number 24. Tourism in Tamil Nadu have all kind of aspects, which you can see it that we have splendid temples, rock cuts, 1076 kilometer of the sea coastal line, and enchanting rhythms of Tamil Nadu, the cultural capital Tanjore. Then the most holy city we can say in the world, Madurai. Then we have so many yoga centers, the places where people come meditate, like Tiruvannamalai Maharshi Ramana Ashram, Isa Yoga Center. Then we have Golden Temple in Vellore, and so many places, and we have very rich art and culture of modern India, that is Chettinad near Madurai, Sivgangai district, and the flavor of coffee of Tamil Nadu, the spices, the tea of Tamil Nadu, and above all, the people and their hospitality of Tamil Nadu is number one. Our government is dedicated to make tourism as number one tourism state. Law and order is very good. There is no fear for tourists. They can travel any time in Tamil Nadu, any part of the state. We have splendid natural habitats there. Biggest hill station of India, Ooty, Nilgiri district, Kodai Canal. Then we have so many wildlife sanctuaries in Tamil Nadu. Different varieties are there. And so many research institutions, educational institutions, so many government hospitals, private hospitals, spas, resorts. So all is and film industry of Tamil Nadu. The music of Tamil Nadu becomes worldwide within daytime. So all kind of blunders and splendors are there in Tamil Nadu. That's why we are number one. Recently we celebrated Pongal. So many places we have done these things with the help of so many foreign tourists. They really love to be there, want to cook themselves, want to eat below the tree, near the blaze, within the blaze, among the people, bit together with the people. So rural tourism and eco-tourism both are being developed. Government has given so much of the fund to develop small places and to develop so many art, artifact and art culture of the rural area, and want to bring the rural Tamil Nadu back to the same track. So this is happening in Tamil Nadu, and people are more aware about tourism and tourism activities. We have a good project of Asian Development Bank, roughly speaking around 400 crores Indian rupees, for which we have segmented so many plans. by which almost all districts of Tamil Nadu will have something in tourism, very strong infrastructure, with the support of local community and with the support of local people. We want to run it as a universal form of tourism. In many places in the state, wherever you go, see, what tourists want. Tourists don't want luxurious life to spend outside, because he or she, they can have a luxurious life in their own state, in own country also. They want to really touch what is rural Tamil Nadu, what is rural India. So there are people, there are resort in Tamil Nadu where people can cook themselves and even serve themselves, and they are part of the kitchen. I have seen some rural resort in Kumbukonam area near Tanjore, where you can have bullock cart safari. You have a swimming pool, the style of temple tank. You have all artifacts which has been thrown by people just like that, but collected and kept by so many preservers. So, really people want that there should be rural touch to life, and what people live, not only in India, in Tamil Nadu and other part. We go out also, we also want to see what is rural life here. Nowadays, there so many dishes of ragi. Ragi is like what you can say millet of Tamil Nadu, very nutritious food. So they started making of ragi dosai, ragi chapati, ragi biscuits, then of course ragi khichdi. So, and it is available in a raw form. So now again we are going back to the existence, whatever, and most of the things are cooked on the fire in the rural area. They do fire cooking, not on the gas or electric, etc. So things are coming in the own way, like this. So the test is being developed, and we want that. So many, I can tell you example. There are people who are making fabric, but eco fabric completely. So many people go and buy from other countries also. Totally, completely man-made. Nothing artificial, no machinery like this. And Tamil Nadu is exporting so many cloth, undergarments and these kind of casuals, etc. from Tirupur and all. So now people has come that there should be no, artificial dye, no artificial color. So there are people who have come with the invention to make it totally natural. Yeah, I have been to many cities in Europe. The thing which I want to do in Chennai first is to start is hop on hop off service done in other cities of the Europe. If any tourist come from any part of the country or any part of the world, if he is having that facility, I'm sure without any help of much problem, he or she can visit the city with great pleasure and with different taste. So this is the things which I want to do first after going to Tamil Nadu, how to introduce a open hop-up service in Chennai, which we are lacking now. We don't have it. It was started earlier, but somehow it could not take up. Now we want to call interested party to do it their own, and with the full of support of logistic support and other support of Tamil Nadu tourism. That is the first things I want to implement there. Then cleanliness, of course, our government of India, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Honorable Prime Minister of India has already started. It is being implemented other part of the country, and we are taking lead in that. So want to make all tourist place completely neat and clean and hygiene friendly, so that people can go and take rest there and enjoy the beauty of the place.